I've got a number of outlets in my garage that just don't fit the wall right. The problem is the electrical box sits too far behind the outlet flange and the outlet's wobbly. Just not good for a shop. And so what I'm going to do is show you the solution that I did with a 3D printer to stand these things off the wall. Here's the problem. The outlet box sits way behind the actual outlet itself, and the outlet is not strong against the wall, and when you do push it, the drywall is not strong enough to support it. I designed these 3D printed standoffs wide enough for the outlet and deep enough to outstand the box. Now what I've got is a 12 millimeter, an 8 millimeter, a 4 millimeter, and a 2 millimeter standoff and some long sheet metal screws to drive into the outlet box. So in the outlet that we looked at earlier, I've got a 0.6 millimeter at the top and a 12 millimeter at the bottom behind the outlet itself that I'm going to screw in with my sheet metal screws. As you can see, I've tightened them well up and the outlet seems to be a lot. And there we go, we put the outlet in. And the outlet itself is pretty darn strong. I mean, the box wobbles with the outlet. So let's put the cover plate on it and see how it looks. So there's the outlet with a smaller cover plate. Plug in the plug, and it's as sturdy as it can be. Anyway, the STL files for these 3D printed spacers are on instruction. I'll post a link to them in the video. Thank you very much for watching.